Hello and welcome to the first course of AutoCAD for Architects. If you are here, you are more likely an architect, 3D artist, or a student in these fields. My name is Reza, and I will be your tutor throughout this course. And I'm so excited to have all of you here in this course. Well, this is an introduction video of the course, and I'm trying to give you an overview of the course because it helps you to know that what is included and how and what you are going to learn from it. Let's start by discussing AutoCAD itself. In fact, AutoCAD is a very handy tool that is used by architects, engineers, and it helps them to draw their design and detailed technical details and present it, print it, and or export it to different software. I'm sure that you cannot imagine that how architectural master plan drawing used to be difficult before the invention of AutoCAD. And thanks goodness, Autodesk invented and developed AutoCAD nearly 4 decades ago. And since then, this software has gained immense popularity among not only architects but also other engineers. So you might still ask why we should choose AutoCAD over other its competitors, and here is the answer. First of all, because AutoCAD is one of the first, or maybe the first, computer-aided design software, and Autodesk has extensively developed this software over last 40 years. So it's almost error-free and equipped with all of the tools that we need for our drawing. And the second reason that it's very precise, and talking about my own experience, uh, working as an architect and 3D artist for more than 15 years, I haven't seen any software as precise as AutoCAD when it comes to drawing. The third reason is that AutoCAD is a very user-friendly tool. It's easy to learn, easy to use, and it has very simple commands. And even architect student can, architecture student can easily learn it within a couple of months from scratch. So that is one of the reason that AutoCAD is still very popular. The next reason is that it is used in almost all architectural firms worldwide. So when you go to a new company and you want to work, the AutoCAD, and you can edit their old files, and it's kind of a mutual language between architects. So that's one of the main reasons that we have to know AutoCAD. And finally, AutoCAD supports different formats. You can import and export in a very variety of formats to AutoCAD. Mostly we import AutoCAD files into 3ds Max, SketchUp, Rhino, and also you can import PDF files into AutoCAD. So interacting with other softwares is the last reason that I think that we should learn AutoCAD. And about the course, there are some points that I want to mention. First of all, AutoCAD has different interface and different version. For example, architecture, civil, engineering version, etc. So this course is based on architecture, and most of the exercise that I include during this course is based on architectural, or I mean drawing a plan of a building, section, elevation. So if you are a civil engineer, this course still can be helpful for you, but you have to have some exercise in your own field. And the second point is that AutoCAD has many tools and options. I'm not going to include all of these options because it makes it a bit boring and long. And no, because this course is a kind of practical course, I want you to teach you essential tools and prepare you for a real market. No, I cannot say some of the options are useless, but I myself haven't used some of them over the last 15 years, and probably you are not going to use them as well. So I try to make this course easy and useful rather than going deep into some of the options that you never are going to use. And also the third point is that in this course we just are talking about AutoCAD 2D because AutoCAD has both 2D and 3D options. Uh, Both of them are in the same software, but normally they called AutoCAD 2D and AutoCAD 3D. And that's because we are going to learn how we can draw a plan, section, details, and AutoCAD 3D is not as useful as AutoCAD 2D because there are lots of different softwares that can help you to uh, develop your design in a 3D models better than AutoCAD. But still, AutoCAD 3D is used in some architectural firms. I have seen that. And if there is a demand for AutoCAD 3D, I will record another course and focus on AutoCAD 3D. And you can always reach out to me through my Instagram page, which is shown in the screen. And tell me if you need AutoCAD 3D. I will record a different course for AutoCAD 3D. The last point is that all of the project that I use during this course, I'm trying to be a real project because I want to prepare you for a real market, which means that we are going to have a plan of a building, and then we try to make a section and draw the elevation of the same building and maybe some of its detailed drawing. So that's enough for now. And in the next lesson, we are going to open the AutoCAD and uh, try to understand its interface. So have a great time and see you in the next lesson.